Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the man born updated 360 degrees light bulb security camera with 4 megapixel. It works with a 2.4 gigahertz wireless security camera system and it is for outdoor. It's a bulb camera with an extra bright night vision, motion detection, alarm function, and full color two-way talk. And of course, easy installation. You have to drill 2 holes, get the mount into position, and place this IP65 waterproof camera system. Install this light bulb camera with ease into your wall or your ceiling or what you like. It's really easy to install this device where you like, okay? Then we download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Of course, we can connect or should connect this camera system first with the power source. The power source will be in Europe's socket, for example, and the installation process is really easy, okay? We separate the camera and the bracket. When installing the camera for the first time, we need to separate the camera from the bracket itself, okay? We are install then the bracket to the wall with the included big screws, for example. And after this, we can install the camera again. We tighten the fixed screws if we like, and then we are ready for setup. On the camera system itself, we have an indicator light, the lens, and a microphone. If we rotate the camera down, you can see a TF card slot for attaching a micro SD card into it, a reset button, and a waterproof cover. And then we can go and make a setup, of course, yeah? Then we download the app out of the App Store or Google Play Store. The Simynelec, SYMYNELEC app. We power on the camera. If we are not setting up the camera for the first time, we press and hold the reset button for 8 seconds until we hear the 3 beep prompts, okay? Then we make sure our phone is connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. And then we can complete the app registration process if we does not have done this before. And we click on the plus sign to add the camera. And we continue with the G12. Bluetooth is not necessary because it's a Wi-Fi camera. This cool camera comes with a nearly 360 degrees full coverage. It provides a clear and smooth real-time video. The Wi-Fi camera system offers full, nice rotation thing. We can continuously rotate the camera in a circle around the same direction without nearly any limits. Then we have to enter our Wi-Fi password, of course. Okay? And after this, it generates a QR code. And we use the camera to scan the QR code on the phone. Job's done. The camera will beep when it receives the QR code. And then we can continue, and we are in. Wait until the camera is connected online and finish the setup. If the pairing is not successful, we press the reset button for 8 seconds and repeat the prop. If there will be a prop, we can repeat the setup process. No prop, baby. Oh yeah. This camera only works with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi is not supported. But if you make the setup done in 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, which every 5 gigahertz network router can give us a 2.4 gigahertz network too. It's no problem for it. And then we can change our Wi-Fi connection in our smartphone again to the 5 gigahertz network, and the app control will continue. No problem. We put the camera near the router within 3 feet during setting up the camera. This is the best choice. The camera needs strong Wi-Fi, so we install it to near the Wi-Fi router as possible. And then with Advantage Starlight sensor, this camera system provide excellent nighttime visibility with vivid, incredible detail, even in low light conditions. The light bulb, this man-born camera system can enable the bulb. The bulb is a circle of LED bulbs around it, and has a flashlight. Really cool, I think. So you can make your own flashlight with the camera system, but also you can make night vision, infrared night vision, so you can see nearly in, I think it's 20 meters everything what you like to see. You have two-way audio system. Okay, that means we haven't built in a microphone, built in a sound system, so you can communicate with the other side. It's no problem. Because of this, you can use this as an entrance gate camera system to talk with your post or mail service guy, for example. Or you can place this in your garage, in your area where you like to have a security thing on. Okay, and then you can switch to different modes: HDR, night mode, shimmer, motion tracking, and motion detection. Motion tracking is really cool because it tracks every motion which is in the area, and it follows you or other guys who are in the area. Really cool. Motion detection means if it detects a motion, it gives you a notification on your smartphone that there is a motion in the secure area. And then we can use the siren, for example. This is really cool. It's an alert system. If you press on it, and a loud beep sound will given from the camera system. And nearly everyone who does not belongs to you on this place will be running away, of course. This is really cool. And it comes with a really good picture. You can zoom in if you like. You can zoom out if you need it. It's no problem. It's an easy installation process. The man-born G12 camera system is easy as setup, and of course it's an easy using security camera system. And of course you can add a lot of camera systems with the app, and then you can control and look at your entire property to have a nice security system installed there with, if you like, a lot of cameras. Or only one camera is of course possible too, but this camera is made out of good materials. It is a durable materials. It looks really professional, and it's the G12 man-born Wi-Fi smart camera. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.